ECM operates the air conditioning relay. The ECM functions to operate the air conditioning relay by receiving the signals from the air conditioning switch. This is to prevent engine RPM drop due to sudden operation of the air conditioning compressor. To check the air conditioning relay, check the operation and its condition while the air conditioning switch is on. We can check whether the ECM turns on the relay or not with the current data of the high scan. And then measure the operating voltage at the connector of the air conditioning compressor. Operating voltage should be the same as the battery voltage. If not, check the air conditioning relay, fuse, ECM, and related wirings.
فراموش نکنید که توی کانال سابسکرایب کنید و کانال رو با دیگر دوستانتون به اشتراک بذارید. تا ویدیوی بعدی روزگار خوش.